Nuclear power plants in India, frequently asked questions. How many nuclear power plants and reactors are operational in India? As of April 2025, India operates 25 nuclear reactors across 8 nuclear power plants with a total installed capacity of 8,880 megawatts. Nuclear power contributes about 3% of the country's total electricity generation. Which is the largest nuclear power plant in India? The Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant, KNPP, in Tamil Nadu is the largest in India. It currently has 2 VVER 1000 pressurized water reactors, each with a capacity of 1000 megawatts, for a total of 2000 megawatts. Additional units are under construction to further increase its capacity. What is the role of nuclear power in India's energy mix? Nuclear power is the fifth largest source of electricity in India, following coal, hydro, solar, and wind. It plays a crucial role in meeting the nation's growing energy demands and supporting sustainable development. Who operates nuclear power plants in India? All civil nuclear power plants in India are operated by the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, a government-owned entity. India primarily uses pressurized heavy water reactors, PHWRs, along with a few boiling water reactors, BWRs, and pressurized water reactors, PWRs, of Russian design, VVER. What are the major challenges faced by nuclear power plants in India? High initial construction and technology costs. Public opposition due to safety and environmental concerns. Dependence on imported uranium fuel. Complex radioactive waste management. Project delays due to policy and regulatory hurdles. India aims to significantly expand its nuclear capacity, targeting 22,480 megawatts by 2031-32 and an ambitious 63,000 megawatts by 2032 through ongoing and planned projects. This includes the construction of new reactors and the development of nuclear energy parks. Has India experienced nuclear accidents like Chernobyl or Fukushima? According to the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, Indian reactors are designed with multiple safety systems, and a Chernobyl-type accident is not possible due to different reactor designs and stringent safety protocols. What is unique about India's nuclear program? India has developed a largely indigenous nuclear power program, focusing on self-reliance and utilizing its vast thorium reserves as part of a three-stage nuclear power strategy. This approach is partly due to historical restrictions on international nuclear trade. How is nuclear waste managed in India? Radioactive waste from nuclear plants is managed according to strict regulatory guidelines set by the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, AERB, with a focus on safety and environmental protection. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.